गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। रीजनल रूरल बैंक यानी आरआरबी जो बैंक्स हैं उनका स्पॉन्सर बैंक में मर्जर के कारण जो खबरें आ रही थी लगातार उसी के रिगार्डिंग ऑल इंडिया रीजनल रूरल बैंक एम्प्लॉय एसोसिएशन है उनके द्वारा एक प्रेस स्टेटमेंट जारी किया गया है। वो देखते हैं क्या है। तो देखिए प्रेस स्टेटमेंट है, रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग ऑफ आरआरबी, our opposition to re-storage proposal of the expert committee which submitted the report recently। और उन्होंने नोटिस किया है, वी डिमांड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट लेवल आरआरबी, वन आरआरबी फॉर वन स्टेट अंडर एन अपेक्स बॉडी लाइक एन आरबीआई एंड नाबार्ड। अब देखिए उन्होंने क्या स्टेटमेंट रिलीज किया है, क्या उनके द्वारा क्या क्या उन्होंने अपनी कमेटी जो बनाई थी उसके द्वारा क्या रिपोर्ट जारी की गई है, उन्होंने क्या प्रेस नोट जारी किया है, तो वो पढ़ते हैं। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस, डीएफएस had set up an expert committee under the chairmanship of the additional secretary, Government of India, Ministry of Finance, DFS, during the first part of 2020 to suggest the measures to be taken to restructure the RRB to make them stronger for their better performance in the area of rural credit and rural development. The said committee has recently submitted its report with some retrograde proposals, and as per reliable source, the matter is under process for implementation. As per the report, existing 43 RRBs have been categorized into three groups A, B, and C, and different action points have been prescribed for RRB of above three different groups. Main thrust being divesting the share capital of Government of India 50% as at present uniformly for all RRB in favor of the sponsor bank which have 35% share at present in all RRBs, ignoring the fact that most of the committees set up earlier by the Government of India, RBI, NABARD, including the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Finance, gave their recommendation to delink the RRB from the clutches of the sponsor bank, who have been acting as a master competitor and who are mainly responsible for the ill faced by the RRB so far. The present committee, headed by Additional Secretary, Government of India, Ministry of Finance, DFS, while appreciating the role played by the RRB in the matter of fulfilling its objective in spite of the above stated situation, unfortunately has been taken resources to retrograde recommendation of giving 85% ownership of the RRB to sponsor bank, leaving only 50% for the respective state government. Our organization, AIRRBEA, being the representative of more than 75% of the workforce in RRB sector, have been all along demanding the consolidation of RRB at state level under the apex body, totally delinked from the sponsor bank, to make these banks more responsive and vibrant to the emerging need of better coverage of financial inclusion, microcredit, overall rural finance and rural and agriculture development. All the RRB taken together have already covered about 40 crore of rural semi-urban people under their services fold, and their performance in terms of financial parameters is also remarkable. But financial support from the Government of India, these banks still remains very negligible. in comparison to the support provided to national commercial bank. As for example, capital support provided to NC, National Commercial Bank, during the last 11-year reported stand somewhere around rate 3,35,000 crore, where the capital supports provided to RRB as a whole during the existence of these banks of 45 years is not even rate 7,000 crore so far. We have already submitted our representation of 22/5/2021 highlighted our above, demanding for restructuring of RRB and necessary capital support to the Honorable Finance Minister, Government of India, copy of which annexed herewith. Our organization has decided to launch countrywide agitation program, including contact with the Honorable MP and other people representative of all political parties to impress upon the Government of India so that the retrograde proposal to be scrapped and necessary steps are taken to materialize our demand of formulation of state level RRB, one RRB for an state under an apex body, and RBI and RBI totally delinked from sponsor bank under the ownership of the government at the present and with transfer of sponsor bank share to be apex body. ये इसमें मुख्य इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें रखी गई है। इसके बारे में हम हिंदी में आपको अदर वीडियो में बताएंगे। धन्यवाद।